Yes, you heard it right. 20 jars of this cream sold every minute. And you wanna know why? Let's get started to answer all your questions. First, we're gonna start off with the pricing. So this 50 gram of tub cost 27 Canadian dollars on YesStyle. This whole brand is dedicated to use organic skincare ingredients to deal with roughness and dehydrated skin. And that is why the major ingredient in this one also include rice bran water, glycerine, niacinamide, panax ginseng root extract, squalane, butylene, glycol, hyaluronic acid, and cocoa seed extracts. This small tub contains all the essential ingredients that mature skin need, and it also helps dealing with your wrinkles, dehydration and dull skin. Best part about this cream is that you can use it day, night, anytime you want to. This is not your specific daytime or nighttime moisturizer. Packaging of this product is very simple and it came in a glass jar. This cream has a very lightweight texture which makes it suitable for all skin types, and it has a very cream gel water kind of texture which makes it suitable to use for every single skin type because it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on the skin. As well as if you have dehydrated dull skin, this is so lightweight yet very hydrating and moisturizing on your skin. You don't need any other product for your moisturization. And for people with oily skin, this is very lightweight formula. It's not gonna make your skin greasy, but it is definitely gonna hydrate and plump your skin. And if you have wrinkles and matured skin, you're gonna love this product because this cream is enriched with Korean ginseng and orchid extract that helps brightening your skin and also include anti-aging properties in that. So I would say this cream is beneficial for every single skin type, even for sensitive skin, because this has very gentle ingredients in it. And if you are someone with matured skin or having wrinkles or your skin started aging, this is an amazing cream because the first thing that causes aging is hydration. Everything starts with good hydrated skin, and that is what this cream does to your skin. It also helps fading away your wrinkles, smile lines. And don't want to invest in a lot of skincare products. This one single product is gonna change your skincare game, especially for mature skin in terms of hydration levels. So I 100% recommend this cream. This is amazing moisturizer. I absolutely love this product. And if you are looking for very lightweight yet hydrating kind of moisturizer, you can definitely go in with this one. You're gonna love this product. That is all that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.